Well, good afternoon viewers, welcome to an unscheduled video here on the channel. Today we're going to go to Southend Adventure Island, but with the weather being as it is, it was just a no-go. Anyway, today at South Shields, I haven't been here for a couple of years. Opening the video, you had the Wave Swinger, Preston and Barbidi. And this one, which is a brand new pirate ship, opened this year by Luven, called Pirate Ship. Anyway, pleased to announce she's here today, Sarah. First time at the park, so I'm going to get her some credits and I'll catch you shortly. But yeah, happy days, new pirate ship, open this year. Yeah, just going up the lift hill, you've got the crash test roller coaster. Said a unique one last time we were here, unique ride. This one's the deal. Didn't do many coasters at all. This might have been actually the only coaster they ever did. Just about to get Sarah the credit. Are you looking forward to this one, Sarah?
I am actually.
Say it's quite a unique roller coaster manufacturer to pick up here in the UK. And as you can see just behind, I'll get a bit of better footage in a minute, the new Log Flume going in here for this season. Revision, they've got rid of the old one which was over the other side. But yeah, we'll get your thoughts as we get off this one shortly. We've got the Caterpillar behind. There's been a bit of movement of the ride since our last year a couple of years ago. Yeah, crash test. Got a new Matterhorn here since our last year. This one SPF Visa Group, opened last year, and she's got the back row. Get that Caterpillar cred. Yeah, before Caterpillar, Sarah's second coast credit here. But yeah, this Matterhorn, say opened last year. Looks quite nice, quite modern, quite new. Good inclusion for Ocean Beach to have. I'll just get a arms up. Loving it. And as you can see, speedy coaster. This is Sarah's third and final coaster credit at the park. Little DBV rides, roller coaster. But yeah, just to do something different today. As I said, we're intending to go down to Southend, but it was just too cold, and there she is, back row. Loving every minute of it. The crash test, yeah, it was alright. It was very whippy, but just not very spinner. The Matterhorn. Yeah, and also here at Ocean Beach I've got a brand new Jump and Smile ride. This one SPF Visa, placed in the old Sofeco one. That's gone back to the manufacturers. And then just behind here, got, I don't know if it's the old or the new breakdance. There's supposed to be a new breakdance going in here, us rides. But all covered up. But yeah, the lighting looks fantastic on there. Sarah, what do you reckon to the lighting? Really looks nice on there, doesn't it? You like your jumping smiles. And what were your views on the three coasters?
Rough. Very rough.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you reckon to speed test or crash test?
Crash test is a lot smoother than I'd expected, but it was more like a wild mouse and a spinning coaster for me, to be fair. So it didn't spin as much as I would expect it to.
No. As I said, very whippy but not very spinner.
Exactly.
I think the motto for that one. Yeah. Oh, I'll just get you a few more bits before we leave the park. Yeah, the new Jump and Smile looking very colourful with all the lights on. Yeah, so pretending to be a fireman here, all good fun. Found this one, as you can see, just using a final pound up on the card. Which incidentally, if you've got old cards, I don't think they register because I've tried using my old card, it just would not accept it, so I got a brand new one. You don't pay anything for the card anyway, so just plonk your credit on there if you can. If not, just get a new card. Put £10 on today. Righto, doing a bit of a park walk through as we leave. It's a zombie little ghost train, and I'll just show you a few of the little rides. Seeing as there's no kids, I'm not going to encroach on that. You've got a little big wheel there. Matt's just messaged me. Oh, where is that piece of us greatness? It's here at South Shields, mate. Get yourself down. See the little Dumbos there. What else is around here? Got the Dodgems. Been on the Dodgems for a while. There was a point where we were doing Dodgems every week, but yeah. So a few other bits and bobs. Just walking out now. They've got the Dodgems to left. It's also worth noting, I've got my finger on the lens there, I apologise. It's also worth noting there's no KMGs here anymore, unfortunately. Both the Speed and the Freak Out, they've both gone. More gutted for the Freak Out going. Didn't get on it last time we were here. I did have a go on that one, the Matterhorn. I did like it. You don't get a reverse cycle on there, but once you get going, you really do feel it. And also, just down there, you've got the new bits for the new Log Flume. That's Revershon. That's going to be replacing the old one. Everything at a stand here because this park is literally shutting. Rides open, I think 11 till 5. Twister, I hope you enjoyed me ride on that one. Lovely to get an old scrambler in. As we leave, what else is there? Looking over there, wave swinger, said really nice. Lighting on that one. This is the old bit of the park. Just looking over towards that, you can see the final drop in front of the crash test. Anyway, a quick bit of information before we leave. The day ticket on the Tyne and Weir Metro, that's now £5.70. That covers you in A, B and C zones, A, B and C, so you get quite a bit of flexibility on that. It's about half hour from Newcastle Central Station, which we will be going to via a couple of Wetherspoons for Sarah. Anyway, a quick one from Sarah. What do you reckon today? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. The only criticism I've got with regards to the park is basically the credits. It's basically like 10, 20, 30, but you can't top up odd amounts like £5, £3, stuff like that. So you're left with some credits on your card, unfortunately. I know what you are. But overall, it's a good small little park. Is Ocean Beach. Get yourselves down here and get riding these little rides. As I said, unique coaster there, crash test. Only one or two that are done by that particular manufacturer. And as I said, it's a shame that the Freak Out and the Speed Ride aren't here anymore, but it's one of them things. Right then, I'm going to say ta-ra for now. From South Shields, up to see you again soon, very soon actually, Monday at Poulton's Park, ready to bring you a video from down there. And some more Vekoma greatness. So from this one it is ta-ra, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.